Discord is a modern communication platform that lets people connect via voice, video, and text. At its heart, it's like a next-gen chat room. Users create private servers, each with channels for different topics. Originally built for gamers in 2015 by Jason Citrone and Stanislav Vishnevsky, Discord solved the problems of clunky, insecure, and laggy chat tools. Its smooth performance and easy setup made it the go-to for gamers needing real-time coordination. But Discord quickly outgrew its gaming roots. Now, you'll find communities for everything: book clubs, art collectives, study groups, and more. Its flexibility lets any group build a space that fits their needs, from massive public servers to small private hangouts. This blend of public and private, large and small, is what sets Discord apart. It's become a digital third place, a virtual hangout outside home and work. Millions now use Discord as a daily social hub. It combines the openness of social media with the intimacy of group chat. That's why Discord isn't just an app, it's a cornerstone of online community life. It's where people gather, socialize, and build lasting connections. Discord's early success was all about solving gamers' biggest headaches. Before Discord, players juggled clunky apps like Skype and TeamSpeak, each with lag, bad audio, or confusing setups. Discord changed everything: free, crystal-clear voice chat, easy server creation, and instant invites. Gamers could finally coordinate in real time, no hassle. Integration with gaming accounts like Steam and Xbox let friends see what you're playing, and official game servers became community hubs for news and feedback. Streamers on Twitch and YouTube flocked to Discord, building fan communities that thrived even when streams were offline. These servers became places for fans to chat, share art, and connect with creators. Custom emojis, user roles, and bots let each community create its own identity. For gamers, Discord became more than a tool. It was their clubhouse and social backbone. The platform's focus on culture, not just features, made it indispensable. Discord's gaming DNA still runs deep, but its appeal now stretches far beyond. It's a place where communities, big and small, can truly belong. That's why it's become the digital home for millions of gamers and creators. Discord is now the heart of online gaming culture. An IPO, or initial public offering, is when a private company sells shares to the public for the first time. Before an IPO, ownership is limited to founders, employees, and private investors. Going public means anyone can buy shares on the stock market. The main reason? Raising big capital to fund growth, research, or pay off debt. It also lets early investors and employees cash out their shares. An IPO boosts a company's profile and can attract new partners and customers, but it comes with trade-offs. Public companies face strict regulations and must disclose financials every quarter. This transparency gives competitors a peek inside and puts pressure on management to deliver short-term results. The freedom of private ownership is replaced by the demands of public shareholders. For a company like Discord, the IPO leap is both an opportunity and a challenge. It's a move that can redefine its future. When a company plans an IPO, it files an S-1 registration with the SEC, revealing financials and business details. Traditionally, this filing was public from day one, exposing plans to competitors and the media. The Jobs Act changed that, letting companies file confidentially. Now, Discord and others can work privately with the SEC, revising their filings out of the spotlight. This gives them flexibility. If markets shift or issues arise, they can delay or withdraw without public embarrassment. The S-1 only becomes public about 15 days before the IPO roadshow. Confidential filings are now standard for tech IPOs, reducing risk and keeping sensitive data under wraps. For Discord, this privacy is a strategic edge in a competitive industry. It lets them prepare for a public debut without tipping off rivals. Confidential IPOs are now the norm for ambitious tech companies. On January 6, 2026, news broke. Discord had confidentially filed for a US IPO. This move confirmed years of speculation. Would Discord sell or go public? The confidential filing signals Discord's intent to chart its own course as a public company. It's a major step, showing leadership believes the timing is right. likely due to strong growth and a rebounding IPO market. Discord's official statement was cautious, focusing on user experience and building a sustainable business. Remember, a confidential filing isn't a guarantee. Plans can change if markets shift or better offers appear, but this is the clearest sign yet that Discord is serious about going public. The process is underway, and the tech world is watching closely. Discord's next chapter is about to begin. Since launching in 2015, Discord's growth has been explosive. Word of mouth among gamers fueled its early rise, reaching tens of millions by 2017. By December 2025, Discord boasted over 200 million monthly active users, on par with the world's biggest platforms. It's now a daily tool for students, professionals, and families, not just gamers. Discord's business model is built on its Nitro subscription, offering perks like better video and custom emojis. This freemium approach keeps the platform accessible, while generating steady revenue. Investors see a company with massive scale and a proven way to make money, without intrusive ads or selling user data. That's a big part of Discord's appeal as an IPO candidate. Its strong user base and sustainable revenue model are exactly what public markets want. Discord is ready for the spotlight. Discord's IPO comes as the US market rebounds from a slow period. In 2022 and 2023, rising rates and weak tech IPOs froze the market. But by late 2024, confidence returned. Successful IPOs reopened the window. By the end of 2025, the pipeline of private companies going public was flowing again. Discord's timing is strategic. A hot market means higher valuations and more investor interest. Today's investors want more than just growth. They demand profitability and a clear path to earnings. Discord's focus on sustainable revenue, not just user numbers, fits this new reality. The company's Nitro subscription model is exactly what cautious investors want to see. Discord is positioned to ride this wave of renewed optimism. Its IPO could set the tone for other tech companies waiting in the wings. The market is ready, and so is Discord. The stage is set for a major debut. An IPO would give Discord a huge cash boost, fuel for growth, new features, and global expansion. Users could see better video, smarter tools, and more integrations. But going public brings new pressures. Shareholders expect steady growth and profits. Some worry this could change Discord's user-first culture, leading to more monetization or even ads. Still, a successful IPO would validate community-driven, subscription-based tech models. It could inspire other companies to follow suit and signal strength in the tech IPO market. Discord's leadership will face new scrutiny, balancing Wall Street's demands with their mission. CEO Jason Citron and team must navigate this transition carefully. The stakes are high, but the rewards could be transformative. Discord's next era will test its vision and resilience. With Discord's confidential IPO filing public, all eyes are on its next moves. The first big reveal will be the public S1, showing financials, user growth, and risks. This document, released about 15 days before the roadshow, will be a goldmine for analysts. Next comes the roadshow, where Discord's execs pitch big investors and set the IPO price. Media coverage will intensify as Wall Street debates Discord's value. After the roadshow, the stock will debut on a major exchange. This is the moment of truth. A strong first day is good, but long-term performance matters most. Discord's IPO is more than a financial event. It's a milestone for online communities. The outcome will shape not just Discord's future, but the path for other community-focused tech companies. The journey from private startup to public company is full of challenges and potential. Whether Discord soars or stumbles, its story will define tech in 2026. The world is watching what happens next.